short break and ring may be busted with the arrest of 3 men.
News 12 Long Island's Erin Colton live at the latest store to be hit in West Islip. Erin.
Now, Elizabeth, police tell us that this trio is responsible of possibly $75,000 worth of electronics stolen in the past month in Suffolk County. This store, this Verizon Wireless here on Montauk Highway in West Islip, is the latest store to be hit. This is where these men were finally arrested. Take a look. This is Alexander Cintron of Bohemia, Lorison Potter of Brentwood, and his brother David Potter. They are the 3 men under arrest this morning. Now, police say in all of the burglaries, the men smashed the front window of the electronics store with a sledgehammer and then ran inside and started stealing the merchandise. Now, right now, police say the 3 are responsible for hitting 5 stores in Suffolk County, including one in Hauppauge, 2 in Comac, 1 in Sayville, and then here in West Islip. They could be connected to more, police say. Now, I talked to a man who lives next to this Verizon store in West Islip. He saw the arrest happen.
The police were everywhere. They were. I was just amazed that they caught these guys on foot. I was very happy they did it. They did a great job. They were very professional. They all came in here. They had dogs. They were walking around everyone's backyard. I opened my window. I said, I saw people walking in my yard. I said, what's going on? They said, Suffolk County Police. I'm like, I ran downstairs, locked everything up. It was pretty amazing.
And you're looking at this street, the area exactly where those 2 men were arrested. One of them was arrested a day later, but yeah, right on Sequam's Lane here in West Islip. Police say they ran down and started hiding in backyards. That man, of course, nervous that one of them was in his backyard, but again, police told him what was going on. They were doing surveillance in front of this Verizon store at the same time. Police say those 3 men decided to rob it. Now, Cintron and David Potter, they have already been arraigned on burglary charges. Today, Lorison Potter, he is being held in the 2nd precinct this morning. He'll be arraigned later this morning in front of a judge for his burglary charges. We'll be in the courtroom for it. Live in West Islip, Erin Colton, News 12 Long Island.
Subscribe today. Subscribe, stay updated, stay tuned, and be on the lookout for my commentary on this story here. It will be uploaded onto my channel right following this one. So be on the lookout for that. Give you an in-depth detail on this trio. Subscribe.